Have you seen the latest update from WikiTree Sourcer? If you're on FamilySearch, little orange icons appear if a profile is existing on WikiTree. And if you click on one of those icons, it will open up a new tab with the existing profiles. You want to double check to make sure that somebody didn't put the wrong sources to a profile, but it's fairly accurate. To add this to your options, go to Sourcer's icon at the top, the little one, and then scroll down to options, and you're going to go to the last tab. And then from there, you're going to go to the drop down menu and pick FamilySearch. Let's just make this easy for everybody. So when you click on FamilySearch, just make sure everything is checked. Everything is selected. And you'll notice the different options for the WikiTree icons. Then you can go back to the drop-down menu and do the same for Find a Grave. You'll notice I have two that are not checked. I'm going to go ahead and check that as well. Then going back to the drop-down menu, I'm going to go to the modifications and I'm just going to select that one option and make sure it's on. It's that easy. Now let's go back to FamilySearch and you can see the icons appear with little notes. Click on one and the WikiTree profile comes up. A fast new way to find WikiTree profiles and a great help for connecting. Thanks, Rob from WikiTree Sourcer. See you next time.